my signal light went out on my car, and I saw Seeburg's, and it had excellent reviews. And Mike greeted me at the door, and was comfortable and friendly and professional and knowledgeable. That experience and his attitude made me a loyal customer, and I've come back for everything I needed on my car, and I will continue to. If I see Seeburg's, I know what it represents: quality, and I know that a corporation that is smart enough to find and retain a manager like Mike has sound corporate policies. I feel blessed to have found Seeburg's, and I really appreciate Mike. All of the men that work here have been friendly and just excellent, and they know what they're doing. I like the policy of having everything explained to me. I get it in print. I get estimates. I'm a fan.
Seeburg Service Center.